Hello, my name is Andrea Hernandez, and I'm going to be taking this course with you and look forward to learning alongside with all of you. I am currently living in Dodge City, Kansas with my husband and 3 children. We moved here among the COVID pandemic. My husband had actually secured a job in November and decided that we would move at the end of the school year. And then COVID shut schools down at spring break. And so we were then stuck trying to move in the middle of all of that. It was a little crazy. Fortunately for me, I was able to interview and accept a new position the week before COVID shut everything down. So lucky for me, I was able to get a position that I was interested in. I'm teaching 8th grade U.S. history at Dodge City Middle School. Shortly after accepting that position, we have a high population of ESOL students, and I quickly learned, even though I'd been a teacher for several years at that point, that I still didn't have the strategies and the background knowledge that I needed to be able to provide a good education for my students. So I went back to school seeking my ESOL degree. I am taking 2 classes this summer, and with those, I will finish the end of this course July 1, and those are my last 2 classes. I did provisionally walk in May, so I'm just at the very end. Yesterday, I did take my praxis exam and did pass that to add my new certification to my license, so hopefully that gets processed before the school year starts. I would just like to take away kind of how to better utilize curriculum. So I know that Marcia Copeland kind of touched on this in her video, that social studies teachers kind of don't have curriculum because they focus on math and reading so much and making sure their curriculum is strong. That was the position I've been in the last couple of years. We did finally get new text at the end of the year, and we were told that with the purchasing of this new curriculum, we are to use it with fidelity for the coming school year. So being that I haven't had a structured curriculum, I'm just looking forward to learning maybe how to pick out the pieces that are good for that, but also not throwing out everything that I had used previously. I think I had some really good lessons and activities for the students to get in my class. They don't always just want to sit and get or read from a textbook. So really trying to find the balance with all of that. So I look forward to learning with all of you. Thanks.